Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina Tremblay. I'm going to be your trainer today. Today we are doing a 5-minute workout and it is all about the core. It's low impact, so it's on those days where you're super busy and you just need to fit something quick in. So I want you to put one hand overhead and we're just going to crunch it in right here. Now, if you need to warm up, you can do that before this video, but this is to just get right to it. All right, now switch again, and we're gonna go up on the side, so you're just gonna crunch it in, so it's a standing crunch that's working those obliques. Whew. All right, now we're gonna switch to the other hand. All right, now switch again. We're gonna do 5 more on each side. Really pull in that core and crunch it up. Whoop. All right, 5 on the other side. This really works on balance training too. Woo! All right, so we're getting warmed up. Spread out those legs. And we're going to twist and reach for the sky. We're going to do 10 right here. All right, we got that going. So the advanced version is a hop. And just kick your leg behind you. If you're not ready for advanced, you want a more beginner, I want you to just get down low and kick that leg behind you. I'm gonna do 30 seconds right here. If you're advanced, I want you to hop it over. Swing that leg, don't even touch the back one. But if you're a beginner, remember to touch and no hop. All right, here we go. You got this, girls. It's only 5 minutes. Everybody's got 5 minutes. You can do it. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna stretch it out far, and I want you to lean down, and then lean to the other side. We're gonna do 10 right here. The legs are the biggest muscles of the body, so you're gonna burn the most calories when you're working out. That's why I do so many leg videos. Woo. All right, give me 3 more here. All right, step it up, walk in place. All right, now we're gonna do jumping jacks with no jump. So I want you to just tap it out. Put those hands overhead. You got this, girls, keep going. All right, you're gonna do 5 more here, and then we're gonna switch it up. Now, if you're advanced, you can do regular jumping jacks here. Woo. All right, 3, 2, and 1. Now, we're gonna go front to back, and I want the arms to go up. So you're gonna up, and you're gonna step it back. So just kind of a short little lunge, but I want your arms over your head. All right, 10 more here. Don't kick your door. Woo, good job, girls. All right, now we're gonna gonna go back to the standing crunches. This time, I want you to give me 15 on each side. Really pull in that core. Stretch that arm out, long and lean. Just feel like you're a dancer. Doing a dancing move. All right, 5 more here. Really working those obliques. Engage them. Work on your balance. 1 more. Woo. Stabilize yourself. Hand over head, 15 on this side. Really engage those obliques. Pull that leg up as high as you can get it. You got this, girls. Keep going. All right, give me 5 more here. We're gonna work on more balance. So this time, I want the arm coming up. You can put your hand on your hip for a little bit of leverage. Make sure that foot is planted down. And I want you to come up, but don't tap. We're gonna do 5 right here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, if you still have to touch that foot, don't worry about it. You're gonna gain your balance. And after you do this workout multiple times, you're gonna be able to hold that up. So don't tap down. I'm gonna do 5 right here. One leg is gonna be more stable than the other. All right, you got 3, 2, and 1. Woo! All right, now we're gonna go back into our step lunges with arms overhead. Give me 20 seconds right here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now we're just gonna stretch it out. So we're gonna lean over, get a good stretch on those obliques. Stretch out the other side, really stretch it out. Woo! I'm gonna stretch out those legs. Just come down, go to one side, hang here for a second. Woo! Go to the other side. Come down in the middle. Woo! Put yourself up and up. Let your head come up last. There you have it, girls. Hope you enjoyed 5-minute cardio burst. I'll see you at the next workout.